Flight Production.
Epic flows.
Epic, oh man.
Right now me traumatized, listen for my line. I'ma me tell you where they go on and no fuss this a happen me go on all the time. Now Sunday, me link up Baba, me never run there. Say me a go get a line up for the Monday. Fresh, clean, never Solomon Grande. Going at the barber chair, things are going alright. Me tell him what the style and him see it. Him say him got the lock, you see it. This man start trim me. Next thing me know him put him balls for me knee. He put him balls for me knee. No man, no Baba. Baba, me tired of it. Every time me forward for your trim Baba, you always a put your balls for me knee. And me tell him to stop them thing there Baba. Baba, me tired of it. Epic, calm down man. Right now me traumatized. Listen for my line. Now me tell you where they go on and no fuss this a happen me go on all the time. Now my Baba the best, now the Baba can't test. Anytime me get a line up, a new girl that I give me them number, me take it why not. But me try not to think about the Baba chair. You see the Baba there? Now me's a man when I speak, but the Baba do a thing me have to kiss me teeth. The man get a towel and him hot it, and him try to rub down me cheek. The Baba try to rub down me cheek. Me get a butter chair, me say Baba, what you do Baba? Baba, me tell you top everything down there to me, just give me a normal trim in the Baba. Epic, just calm yourself man. Right now me traumatized, listen for my line. And let me tell you where they go on and no fuss this a happen me go on all the time. Now my girl daddy the other day she nearly bark. And she thinks say me cheat, tell me blockhead get squeezed. Me say babes a Baba do it to me, beg him say please. Me say Baba no, please. Baba please.
It's epic out here.
Shout Flight Production.
Radical and big.
Epic Flow.
Leash. Big bad boy Jamaica, you know. Kingston.
You know I rep epic flows when I step into my clothes.